£1,000 in 30 days. Like, this is a new challenge that I've just created, that I've just put for myself. And if you want to participate, then you can. This is for complete beginner copywriters. If you're a beginner copywriter, you haven't got a paid client, you haven't even got a free client, then this is for you. Well, it doesn't actually matter what stage you are. You can just do this. But I'm making a point because I'm starting from scratch. I haven't practiced copy in months. I don't have a personal brand anymore. I don't have that knowledge that I did before. So I'm basically starting from complete beginner, from complete scratch. And I'm doing this to make a point that it's possible to make money with copywriting, you know? And if you want to participate in this challenge, then you can. You should join my Discord, where we're all going to be doing this challenge. We're all going to be helping each other with this challenge, reviewing each other's copy before we send them out to prospects. So to maximize the amount of clients that you can get out of this challenge, right? So we're going to be reviewing outreach, copy, and literally everything. Just giving as much feedback as possible in order to maximize results for every single one of us. So yeah, join the Discord. Link is going to be in the description. So yeah, £1,000 in 30 days. A lot of people might say that that's crazy. Like, maybe one paid client would be a good goal or something like that. But let's go big or go home, right? But like, what's the point of going small? Like, if I set a massive target for myself, and if you set a massive target for yourself, then it's like, let's say you don't accomplish that goal, but at least you get close if you're actually trying. You know what I mean? Like, back in December last year, 2023, I had a goal I was set by one of my friends on X, right? To get to 1,000 followers on X within like 15 days. There was like 15 days left of New Year's, and he wanted me to get to 1,000 followers before New Year's. At the time, I didn't even have 350. I must have had like 336, if I remember. And I didn't accomplish it. I didn't actually get to 1,000 followers. However, I got to like 800 and something. So imagine you didn't get to 1,000 a month. You didn't get £1,000 deal. However, you got like an £850 deal. That's basically 1,000. Like, you're still doing well for yourself. And then just think, if you can multiply that every day, and it's like, okay, this isn't a 30-day challenge anymore. This is just my everyday process on getting clients. Then it's like you're bound to reach 2,000 a month, 5,000 a month, to 10,000 a month. So yeah, I'm making a point with this challenge, right? I'm making a point with what I'm doing. And I'll be glad if you did it too, if you could join too, in order to get a client. Because realistically, if you're actually serious about copywriting, if you're actually serious about making money online and actually getting clients and all of this stuff, yeah, then you would have no problem doing the work. You would have no problem putting in the effort to write copy, putting in the effort to outreach to clients, putting in the effort to follow up to clients, doing all of these things that you need to do in order to become a better copywriter. You wouldn't have any problem with it, no matter how tedious it is, no matter how tedious it is, no matter how long it is, how boring it is, it doesn't matter. You're gonna do it because you know the end goal is worth it. You know the end goal is worth it. So yeah, enough talking about why I'm doing this challenge and why you should as well. Now it's the actual framework of the challenge. How am I going to reach £1,000 in 30 days? How am I going to do it? First things first is finding clients, right? So for the first 2 days, I'm going to prospect for the whole 2 days. So that's going to be today and tomorrow. But whenever you find this video, whenever you start the challenge, that's going to be for you, and that'll be your first 2 days, etc. Like, you don't have to do it in the same time frame as me. This is an evergreen challenge. You can start it whenever you want and whenever you watch this video. But from me today, I'm going to be starting today, and I'm going to be prospecting for the first 2 days. I'm not going to outreach. I'm not going to write value copy for the clients. I'm not going to do any of this stuff. I'm just going to prospect, and inshallah I'll be able to get like 50 prospects. 100 prospects, doesn't matter. Let's just say 50 for now. So 25 for 2 days. Then the second 2 days, so the third and the fourth day of the whole challenge, I'm going to be outreaching to those 50 prospects. Outreaching to every single one of those 50 prospects, trying to write as much value as possible. Like realistically, like writing value emails or landing pages or stuff like that for prospects is actually kind of, it does take quite a bit of time, especially if you want to like perfect it to a T. But because this is the challenge and I'm literally not going to be focused on anything else, I'm literally just going to be sleeping, eating, praying. If I'm not doing those 3 things, I'm going to be working on this challenge. So yeah, I'm going to just get 25 emails or whatever I'm writing for clients or / prospects. I'm going to write 25 of whatever on the first day, 25 whatever on the next day. I'm going to send it out to them, get those outreaches done. And then on the 5th and the 6th day, I'm going to follow up to every single person that hasn't responded. So if they haven't responded, I'm going to just follow up. Maybe put some more value in there. I have no idea what I'm going to do, to be honest, but I'm just going to follow up somehow. And I'm going to keep doing that. And that's going to be like those 6 days, just going to be repetition throughout the whole challenge. So that's going to be 5 repetitions of doing this nonstop. 2 days of prospecting, 2 days of outreaching, 2 days of following up, just over and over and over and over again. And inshallah, I'm able to accomplish and complete this challenge, you know. And I know for a fact that if you actually do it, you're gonna accomplish it as well. If you actually put your mind to it and you're doing the outreach, you're doing the following up, you're actually doing everything every single day, like I've said, like I've planned out, then we're gonna make a lot of money. We're gonna make a lot of money. Now, I don't know if I already mentioned this, but I'm gonna make tutorials on how I find prospects, how I write the value copy for them, how I outreach to them, how I follow up to them. I'm gonna write tutorials for all of these things. So I'm gonna write, well, not really tutorials, they're more like walkthroughs. You're just seeing how I do. I'm just gonna do a recording of them. So yeah, no point overthinking this whole challenge. Literally just set your mind to it. Do those 5 repetitions consistently. Be disciplined about it, because if you actually want to make money with copywriting, you're going to do this, whether you're a beginner, whether it doesn't matter how long you've been writing copy. If you're not making money and you want to make money, you're going to do this challenge. You're going to be disciplined about it because you're serious. And I know you are. So yeah, last reminder, join the Discord if you haven't already. Link is in the description. And yeah, don't overthink this whole process. Just trust your intuition and do your own thing. Peace.